Hello everyone, today we're going to try and blow up some balloons using some vinegar and baking soda. For this activity we're going to use 2 cups. I have a glass cup and I have a plastic bottle. What we're going to do today is I'm going to fill up both of these bottles with a significant amount of vinegar in here. Then my assistant here is going to help me pour some baking soda inside of the balloons, and I'm going to then put him up over here. Okay, and we're going to then see what happens. While we're doing this, you guys can make some guesses as to what's going to happen to the balloons and how it's going to happen. So I'm going to be very careful in pouring the vinegar in here, making sure not to spill anything. Oops, the bottle's wiggly. Okay. Now we're going to go over here and grab some baking soda. And we're going to, hello? You don't want to lick the vinegar, family. Let's see. Okay, no, inside the balloon, please. Thank you. Let's get one more scoop in there. Okay, so that's one balloon that has some baking soda inside of it. Kind of gets a little wrapped up on my fingers. And then you guys can have your parents help you open up the balloon, and you guys can pour in the baking soda in here. It's fairly easy. Okay. Now, whose balloon do you think will blow up faster? The glass balloon, the glass bottle, or the plastic bottle? Let's take a look. Hopefully we can get it on at the same time. Whoa, you guys. It kind of made me a little scared. I thought it was going to blow up on me. My bottle feels very cold. How does yours feel like?
Very cold also.
I wonder why it got so cold. Whose balloon looks a little bit bigger, guys? Oh. So you guys can see that my balloon is still blown up, even though there's a little bit of less bubbles created in mine. His still has a lot more bubbles in his, and it's also still blown up. We're wondering what will happen if we pour our vinegar and baking soda inside of our bottle. Whoa.
Oh, it popped a hole.
Oh no! For both of us or just yours?
Just one.
There you go, you guys. Be very careful in case your balloon does have a hole in it. You wouldn't want to make a mess. Yeah, that was our balloon experiment for today, you guys. Thank you for joining us.
Bye.